Is there a bank called Tide? Ever dreamt of riding a wave of financial success? Maybe you even named your business after that powerful ocean current. But then, when it comes to banking, you hit a snag. You hear about Tide and wonder, is Tide a registered bank in the UK? Hold on, don't let the name throw you overboard. While Tide might conjure images of crashing waves and sandy beaches, in the world of finance, it represents something quite different. So, buckle up and get ready to dive deep into the world of Tide, not the ocean variety, but the financial one. What is Tide? Tide isn't your standard high street bank with imposing buildings and tellers behind glass partitions. It's a new wave, pun intended, in financial services, a fintech company. Fintech, short for financial technology, is all about using technology to revolutionize the way we manage our money. Think mobile banking apps, online investing platforms, and yes, even business banking solutions like Tide. So, does Tide offer bank accounts? Here's where things get interesting. Tide does offer accounts, specifically business accounts. They cater to sole traders, freelancers, and limited companies in the UK. These accounts come with all the bells and whistles you'd expect for managing your business finances: online banking, a debit card, the ability to send and receive payments, and even some handy bookkeeping tools. But is Tide a bank? The big reveal. Now, for the million-dollar question, well, maybe not a million, but definitely important for your business: is Tide a registered bank in the UK? The answer is no. Here's why. They don't hold your deposits. A crucial function of a bank is holding onto your deposited money. Tide, on the other hand, partners with a licensed bank called Clearbank Limited. Clearbank holds your deposits, keeping your money safe and secure. They don't issue their own money. Registered banks have the power to create money through loans. Tide doesn't have that ability. So, what does this mean for you? Don't let the lack of a traditional banking license deter you. Tide is authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, the official regulator of financial services in the UK. This means they operate under strict regulations, ensuring your business funds are protected. The perks of banking with Tide. Here are some reasons why Tide might be a good fit for your small business. Fast and easy setup. Get your business account up and running entirely online in minutes. No need for lengthy appointments or paperwork. No monthly fees. Unlike traditional banks, Tide offers accounts with no monthly fees, perfect for keeping your business expenses low. Mobile-first design. Manage your finances on the go with their user-friendly mobile app. Integrated tools. Simplify your bookkeeping with features like automated expense categorization and invoicing tools built right into the platform. The bottom line. While Tide isn't a registered bank in the traditional sense, they offer a convenient and cost-effective solution for managing your UK business finances. They are a legitimate and FCA-authorized fintech company providing business banking services with a modern twist. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, ***.